Hello everyone, today's recipe is a fun one. It's hard to believe that from just ordinary eggs, we can create a dish that will surprise everyone. At first glance, it looks like a very simple egg cake, but the magic lies inside, so let's get started. First, I prepare a large watermelon. Use a knife to cut off the top of the watermelon. Then cut a thin slice off the bottom so the watermelon can stand upright. Now, get me a glass bowl. Using a large spoon, carefully scoop out the flesh of the watermelon into the glass bowl, leaving only the rind to form a giant watermelon bowl. Be very gentle so you don't damage the rind. For this recipe, it's best to choose a ripe, sweet watermelon with bright red flesh and plenty of juice. If you can find a seedless watermelon, that's the easiest option because it saves you a lot of preparation time. If not, a watermelon with small white seeds is also a great choice since they're much easier to remove than the larger black seeds. Just take your time to scoop out all of the juicy flesh, making sure to leave as little fruit behind as possible. Once finished, set the watermelon bowl aside for now. Now, I'll prepare 5 fresh eggs. Place an egg separator over the rim of a measuring cup, crack each egg into it, and separate the yolks. Transfer the separated yolks to another measuring cup. If you have an egg separator like this one, it can make the job a little easier, but don't worry if you don't have one. There are plenty of simple ways to separate egg whites from yolks using things you already have at home. You can carefully pass the yolk back and forth between the 2 eggshell halves, or simply use a spoon to gently lift the yolk out while letting the egg white drip back into the bowl. Whichever method you choose, just take your time and work gently to keep the yolk from breaking. The result will be just as good, and there's no need for any special tools. Next, use a whisk to mix everything together. You only need to whisk until the egg whites and yolks are smooth, no need to whip them into peaks. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Now, place a pot on the stove. I add the egg whites to the pot. Next, I pour 600 milliliters of fresh milk into a measuring cup. Then, I pour the milk into the pot. Now add 30 grams of sugar and 8 grams of agar powder. Stir well and cook over low heat. Stir constantly while cooking to prevent the mixture from clumping or burning on the bottom of the pot. As soon as the mixture begins to simmer, I continue cooking for about 1 minute, then turn off the heat. Quickly pour the mixture into a measuring cup. Then I take a piece of PVC pipe. Now, slowly pour the egg white mixture into the space around the pipe. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. To help the mixture set quickly, I put the whole melon in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. While the watermelon chills in the fridge, I suddenly remember that I left a few eggs in the freezer. Instead of letting them go to waste, let me show you a surprisingly simple trick that turns frozen eggs into something really fun and delicious. Now, peel the eggs directly. After a night in the freezer, the eggs will be completely frozen, so you can peel them very easily. Now, use a sharp knife to slice the eggs into thin slices. Place a skillet on the stove, lightly coat the surface with oil, and arrange the sliced eggs in the skillet. Fry over low heat for about 3–5 minutes. As the temperature gradually rises, the frozen egg slices will slowly thaw and cook through, resulting in beautifully shaped fried egg slices. So, with just a small change in preparation, you can transform the familiar fried egg into a much more interesting and visually appealing dish. Give it a try and see the results for yourself. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Going back to the first dish, don't let the watermelon pulp go to waste. I put all the watermelon pulp into a blender and blend it until very smooth. Next, I place a strainer over the pot and pour the blended watermelon through it to strain out the smooth watermelon juice. Add the egg yolks to the pot, along with the watermelon juice. Then add 25 grams of sugar and 8 grams of agar powder. Stir well, then continue cooking over low heat until the mixture comes to a gentle simmer. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. By now, 10 minutes have passed. I take the watermelon out of the refrigerator. Gently pull out the PVC tube from the center. This is where the surprise happens. Slowly pour the egg yolk mixture into that cavity. Then, place the watermelon back in the refrigerator for another 10 minutes so everything sets completely. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for has arrived. Open the fridge and take a look. Right in the middle of the soft, smooth egg white layer, a striking red circle has appeared. It looks just like a giant egg hidden inside. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.